पुत्राणां हि परो धर्मः
पुत्राणां हि परो धर्मः
pitṛ-śuśrūṣaṇaṁ satām
pitṛ-śuśrūṣaṇaṁ satām
अपि putravatāṁ brahman
अपि putravatāṁ brahman
किम् उत brahmacāriṇām.
किम् उत brahmacāriṇām.
O Brahmana, the highest duty of a son, even though he has sons of his own, is to serve the parents, and what to speak of a son who is a brahmacāri. Suppose you steal something. You are beaten with shoes. And Krishna steals, he is worshipped. The difference or not? When Krishna steals, he becomes Makhanchor, and there are temples of Makhanchor. Worship. Everybody enjoys this stealing. Actually, even the residents of Vrindavan are enjoying Krishna stealing. But just to enhance the fun, they used to come to complain, and they used to have that fun. But when we steal, sometimes people are killed also. Some places people bring sticks and kill the man. They call it lynched by the public, by the mob. So the same activity. But when done by Krishna, it becomes worshipable. But done by us, is different. So our nature is actually derived from the nature of Krishna. So when I have form and personality, how can I deny God has form and personality? Okay? I have form. Now if I want to enjoy, I can enjoy with form or without form. Actually without form there is no enjoyment. That's why ghosts, they suffer. Why the ghosts are suffering? Because it's a living entity, has two coverings. One is subtle body and a gross body. The gross body is not there for the ghost. Only subtle body is there, Sukshma Sharira. And he has elaborate plans of enjoyment, of eating, sleeping, mating. But there is no body to do that. So he is in acute suffering. He is in an intense, mental we can't even imagine. We are informed by Shastra that the terrible mental harassment. I used to think at least these people can understand that we are not the body, we are something, we are more than the body. It doesn't help much because subtle body is as serious as gross body. Every day in the dream time, you are in a subtle body, not the gross body. The gross body is lying on your bed. Your experience is in the subtle body. Definitely not in the gross body. Is any way it is less? No. No way it is less. So the ghost also has an experience, but he finds it very difficult. He goes somewhere and he wants to pick up some object to enjoy. He wants to talk to somebody in this world. He cannot. He cannot relate to the people. Correct? That's the problem. Therefore, we know that without gross body there are problems. We cannot be happy. So what sin God has done, he doesn't have a form. When you have a form, you can enjoy. Without form, you cannot enjoy. If God is the enjoyer, what sin he has done that you are not giving him form? Poor fellow. Why you make like that? No, God has form. Then the problem with the public is that when a god has formed, Kupa Manduka Nyaya, they give logic of the frog in the well. They think if God has form, then what happens? He is limited in a particular place. He is not limited because his form is transcendental. Ekasthane sita agni jyosna vistarini tatha. Just like if you have fire in one place, the light and heat go everywhere. Even though he is situated there, by his energies and by his omnipotence, he is present everywhere. He is present everywhere, even though he is situated in one place. That is the potency of Krishna. Okay. But being a jiva, being a living entity now, being part and parcel of Krishna, our business is to serve Krishna. We derive our nature from Krishna. We cannot deny that. We have all kind of desires, all kind of activities. Krishna also has. But in us, it is sometimes polluted. But Krishna is not polluted. This example is given in the scripture. Just like the cloud. The cloud can cover you. Cloud cannot cover the sun. And cloud is created by the energy of the sun. Correct? So Maya is created by energy of Krishna. But Maya cannot cover Krishna. Maya covers you. So Krishna's personality remains always pure. Param Brahma, Param Dhavam, Pavitram. It's totally transcendently pure. That is not our personality. Our personality is contaminated. And therefore in our personality it is being part and parcel of Krishna. My only pleasure is in serving Krishna. But what I am doing? I am struggling in this world to make so many plans of enjoyment. That's my total madness. What is the total madness? I am struggling in this world to enjoy when you cannot enjoy. It's impractical. Soul is Sachidananda. This world is Asat Achit Nirananda. Soul is truth, permanent. This world is temporary. Sat. Sat means Sanatana. This world is not Sanatana. It's not eternal. Chit, soul is full of knowledge. This world is full of ignorance. The soul is full of happiness. This world is full of miseries. It's an incompatible condition. But we are struggling individually, collectively, struggling somehow to make this world a happy place. That is what is going as the modern civilization, advancement of the modern civilization, trying to control the material nature. Material nature will not come under your control. It is not your servant. It is Krishna's servant. So this is going to fail, and we know it fails. Now here the Devatas are also in Maya, little Maya. Danavas are in total Maya. Little Maya in the sense, they still want to make their life comfortable. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhogeshwarya prasaktāṇāṁ taya patachetasāṁ vyavasāyātmika buddhi samadho na vidhiyate. Bhogeshwarya prasaktāṇāṁ. When somebody is trying to achieve two things in life, most of the society, they want to advance into higher level of economic comfort and into the higher level of sensual comfort. More sense enjoyment, bhoga, and more economic comfort. And these two things are agitating us. We become ensnared by these two things. Actually, a devotee should be free from this. Tomorrow a call for some service, some part of the world you have to go. Nothing is there from the basic education. Devotee should be ready. Not that, oh no, this much level of economic comfort I want, this much level of sensual comfort I want. You're not a devotee then, you're something else. What do you come to Krishna for? For the same tatti that you're anyway eating in this world? We've not come to Krishna for that. You come to Krishna to serve Him. Not that I also start imitating in the society the landmarks of economic and sensual success. No, we should never imitate the karmis. Either as devotees, brahmacharis or grahasthas, everybody. Our business is not to imitate the karmis. Our business is to satisfy Krishna. Sometimes you forget. My ambition of life is to satisfy Krishna, nothing else. So now, then this is the objective. Then the life of Danavas. Danava life is to enjoy forgetting Krishna's. Devata's life is to enjoy remembering Krishna's. Both of them want to enjoy only. But still they are devatas. Why? Because when they are in problem, they go to an authority. I said that. That is one of the divine features of a person. When he is in problem, he goes to an authority. You see now devatas are in trouble. Why they are in trouble? Indra made a blunder. He neglected Brihaspati. And Brihaspati has gone away. He got so much lost. Bhoga Aishwarya Prasaktāṇāṁ. So much he got lost into his Bhoga and Aishwarya that he became little proud. Madaha Puman. He became totally intoxicated by his beauty, by his opulence, by his learning, by his post. He became little intoxicated. And he forgot that this is not a source of satisfaction. Like in Bhagavad Gita it is said, if you think so much money I have today, tomorrow I will have that much money. Not a devotee. Devotee's focus is so much faith in I have Krishna today, tomorrow I have so much faith in Krishna. That is his focus. Rest is external. May be there, may not be there. That is Krishna's will. He is not his samadhi on that. His samadhi is on whether I have Krishna's lotus feet with me. Devotee lives in reality. Okay? Whether my faith is increasing in Krishna every day. That is where his focus is. Now how do you call somebody a devotee? That's why sometimes people complain, no? You people are also commercial. Yeah. If there is only focus, then what is the difference with you in a shop outside? There is no difference. The devotee's focus is whether my faith is increasing in Krishna day by day. Okay? That is where is the focus. And that is where he is working. He is not whole 24 hours a day meditating on economic development. Then he is not a devotee. Then don't be a devotee. There are so many other things you can do in the society. Do no. Why you want to make a tamasha, pakhand in the society of a devotee? Do those things. But a devotee be focused. What is the devotee's focus? Whether my faith is increasing in Krishna's lotus feet every day. That is where he is endeavoring. All day is praying to Krishna for that. That is where his meditation is. He is trying to work there. That is his primary work. Shuddha Bhakta is even higher than a Devata. Because he has no desire to enjoy remembering or forgetting Krishna. He has no desire to enjoy independent of the Lord. Just like if there is a stool in the road, the dry side, wet side, both is horrible. No? So the very spirit of enjoying this world is horrible. That is what we have to get. And because of that, the devotees, the great acharyas, pure devotees like Narada, they are in constant touch with the Lord. They are embraced by the Lord. Therefore we see that Indra, whenever somebody is getting more punya, yesterday we read the instance, even Narayan Rishi, Indra tried to entice. Correct? Why? Because position. My position should not go away. My respectability should not go away. That is materialistic, no? What is spiritual about all these things? But one good quality devatas have, when they have problem, they go to an authority. So Indra made a mess. He neglected his spiritual master. And his spiritual master wanted to teach him a lesson. This is not good, my dear. Not only him. All the devatas get the lesson. Don't be lost. Just like we know the example of Nala Kuvera, Managriva. They are also sons of Kuvera. And they lost. They got so lost, they were madly intoxicated. And Narada blessed them by a curse to become twin Arjuna trees, correct? In the house of Nanda Maharaj. The same way now, Brihaspati has disappeared. That is also a blessing. Now they come to their senses. You see that Brahmana doesn't have to lift weapon. Just by neglect. Therefore in society, many times people are offensive. Just neglect them. That is tighter slap than shouting on the face. बहुत बड़ा थप्पड़ होता है. Just neglect कर दो. कुछ बोल रहा है, you go to meet people in society and he says, what, your Krishna is like that, your ISKCON is like that, your Acharya, something they speak like that. Sometimes people do speak, we are preaching. Just go to another person. Just neglect him. He's actually, sometimes you feel I should shout. Just neglect, better neglect. That is tighter slap. वो तो बहुत भयंकर थप्पड़ होता है. Just neglect कर दो. Huh? It is better. Because a devotee has 4 kinds of emotion. What are the 4 kinds of emotion? He has love, he has friendship, he has compassion, he has neglect. Love for the Lord, friendship for the devotee, then compassion for who is innocent, and neglect of who is envious. Okay? That way the devotee stays very peaceful and happy. Other, how do you chant Hare Krishna? He stays very peaceful. So now that's what Brihaspati did. He neglected the devatas. And look at, they are in soup because of him. Because they depended on him. They need a pure brahmana. And you look that if you become pure, even pure brahmanas, what demand they are in? What demand? And this Tvashta is actually, he has a lot of affection for the demons also. Therefore, Brahma is saying, it's fine, use the services, but you have to tolerate. He has a lot of affection for the demons. That's what Indra will mess up now again. Second mess he will do. When Tvashta agrees to do the homas, puja for them, he is pure brahmana, so everybody cannot do now. Why did they not go to any so-called paid brahmana? There are enough available. Correct? थोक के भाव मिलते हैं ये पैसा देके जो ब्राह्मण आते हैं. Why they did not go to? They know it's useless. The Brahma gave an advice, there is one pure brahmana, because his homa will be effective. Please try to understand this point. ऐसे so called birth brahmanas, paid brahmanas तो बहुत मिल जाएंगे. Why did Brahma not advise? हाँ किसी से करा लो, कोई फायदा नहीं. You have to do from a person who is pure. And where are pure brahmanas? Kali Yuga? Zero. Don't waste your time. Therefore Kali Yuga, marga of yagna has been rejected. Prabhupada says you can do homa. बहुत लोग आके बैठ भी जाएंगे. India में there is this, you do any homa. Many people, you say Janmashtami, if you are planning, you want to do homa, a lot of people will come and say, and they'll give money also. Prabhupada says total waste of time and money. Waste. No use actually. But है उनका profession ही वही है. There is a 24-hour profession. यहाँ होम कर दो, वहाँ होम कर दो, वो होम कर दो, कुछ फायदा नहीं. You need a brahmana like Tvashta. And there is one more fun will happen now. Anyway, things will go on. So devatas have one good quality. They for trouble they went to Brahma, and Brahma is guiding them. Do it like this, and also be careful. Ignore his attachment to the Danavas. For some reason he has attachment to the. Ignore that. Yesterday we were discussing in the night, when there is a fight between Devatas and Danavas, what happens? The Devatas, when they start losing, they pray to Vishnu. And Vishnu comes on Garuda and protects them and defeats the Danavas. And Danavas also see, moment Vishnu has come, they saw it's over. No need of fighting now. It's all over. If he has taken side, we cannot fight. Whole army of the Danavas cannot fight with one person who comes on his Garuda, Vishnu. Just one person. Krishna is so powerful. Right? So you may say, why he is taking side? Because Danavas never asked. And if they asked, they are no longer Davanas. They were also Devatas. The very nature they are Danavas is because they have no faith in Vishnu. They have no faith. Therefore, our process should be in Kali Yuga. We should read Bhagavad Gita. We should take guidance of Vaishnavas, trying to understand Bhagavad Gita. Take guidance of the great acharyas. Okay? So that way, become a devotee, become divine. What did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say? Na dhanam, na janam, na sundari, kavitam jagadish kamaye, mama janmani janmanishware, avatad bhakti haitu kitai. This is not a focus. What is the focus of a devotee? Na dhanam. My Lord, I don't want dhana. So now, most of the people feel in the society today, I am rich and comfortable because of the hard work that I have done. Utter nonsense which has been created in the society. We are cheating the society into forgetting God by the nonsense philosophy. You work hard, you will enjoy. Even karmakanda, I am saying forget about God. Even karmakanda, it is totally wrong. Totally wrong, not supported by the Vedic literature. And we know by common sense also. Every person is trying to become the richest man in this world. ऐसा है क्या जो नहीं बनना चाहता? बहुत लोग मेहनत भी कर रहे हैं उसके लिए, पूरा जिंदगी सिर फोड़ रहे हैं पत्थर पे, नहीं बन सकते. In this world, what they want people? ना whole life पैसा 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 पैसा, पागल हो जाते हैं लोग. ना जन्म, जन्म means followers. And Sundarim, beautiful woman. And Jagadish Kame, na dhanam na janam na sundarim, kavitāṁ va. Kavitāṁ va means another point. Beautiful voice. For a man, the voice of a woman looks very beautiful. For a woman, the voice of a man looks very beautiful. Be very careful. Jagadish Kame. Mama janmani janmanishwari bhavatad bhakti hetu ki tvai. A birth after birth, birth after birth, my Lord, I just want to be engaged in your devotional service. Happily. Very happy by the situation Krishna has given me. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,